I think that people hyper focus on acquisition. One of the things that we always ask people is, when they're giving us the basics of their dental practice, just off the cuff, it's everybody knows three things: production, collections, new patients, right? They don't know profitability. They don't know attrition rate. A lot of times if we say your new patient acquisition per month is 50, that's awesome. What's your attrition every month? And some of the most basic softwares will be able to tell you 18 months in a day, this is how many people attrited out of your practice in a 30-day, in this month, up to this point versus your new patient acquisition. It's important for people to understand that once people are in your office, it is much easier to reactivate people if you have a good relationship with them than getting cold people off the street. So your warm list, the people that are already active within your patient base, are much easier to get back into your practice than new patient acquisition. That's the first thing. Secondarily, what are certain things that can make sure that relationship is cultivated? Because people are busy. A lot of times when people get to 18 months in a day and they're an official attrited patient, they're not mad at you. They haven't died and they haven't moved away. They just haven't been reminded often enough that you're still there, that you still care, and that it's really important for them to utilize their benefits, or really important for them to get their recall exam scheduled. All of those things they just stack on top of each other.